next part, what you take in the simplification here is nothing but approximation. That is also very, very important here, approximation. So how the directions will be there in the case of question. Look at simply this question. How it will be. What approximate value should come in the place of question mark in the following equations? Clear or following questions. So they'll ask you what is the approximated value. And look at in the bracket they given one more statement. What is that? You are not expected to calculate the exact value. Sometimes you don't get exact value or we'll get nearby value. Depend upon that, we'll take the questions. Clear? So we have to take it approximated values, whatever the given for the questions. Let's take some questions on that. So even this type of questions also very important. Clear? So this type also generally they will give it for 5 marks. Let's take for some examples on this one. The approximation. Whatever the approximation I'll give it, if it is approximation, and the top I'll give it is like approximation. All this one, it's an approximation here. So how we do it approximation cases. For example here, 36.01. So 36.01 means directly I cannot take it 36.01 here. Simply I'll write as a 36. And 4096. I don't have any decimal part. I'll write that one as a 4096 into 37.99. That I write as a 38 divided by altogether bracket. I write 9 into and 75.98. That I can write as a simply 76. That is equal to 4 power question mark that I have to find out actually, that I take it as x and divided by 2. This is the case we have to calculate. Now let's check what I can cancel. 38 ones are 38 twos are 76 and 2 I can cancel. 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. I can cancel 4 also. Now 4096. So what I can take it 4096. Actually it is nothing but 4 cube is 64 and 64 into 64 is 4096. Like that we can remember that cases here. 4096 is nothing but basically it's a 4 power 6 value. It's a 4 power 6 value. So 4 into 4 power 6. So 4 into 4 power 6 and 6 plus 1. A power into a power n. It's a power m plus 1. Sorry, m plus n. So 4 power 7. This side get 4 power x. Now the base is equal. I can say powers are equal now. Then I get x equal to 7. Simply that is answer. So x value I'll get it as a 7. X value I get it as a 7. Is it clear? So that is how you take it approximation. Let's take next one. And look at this one also an approximation here. Let's take the question here. 25.05 and 1 into 123.95. How you take it these cases? Look at first case here 25.05. So that directly I can write as a 25. 123.95. So which I can write it as a 124 plus 388.999. So which I can write as simply 389 into 15. So it's a BODMAS we have to follow now. First take this product and this product. So into 25 means I can write as 100 by 4. Simply by divide by 4. I have write it. 4 we have to division. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are into 100. So 3100 is this value. 389 into 15. I'll write here 389 into 15. I can write it. So directly we can multiply 15. 59s are 135. 1 3 here. 5 here. 15 8s are 120 plus 13. 133. 3 here. 3 here. 15 3s are 45 plus 13. 45 plus 13 means it's nothing but 58. So I get 5835. I get 5835 this value. So 3100 plus 5835. So altogether if I get it 8 plus 1 9. So we get finally 8935. This is the answer na. Simply I'll get. So 25 into 124 3100 389 to 15 5835. Totally I'll get 8935. Simply that is the value. Let's check next one. Again, it is also an approximation here. Let's check what is that. So, question mark square minus 137.98 divided by 6 like that they given. Question mark. That I write as a x here. That will be easy for us. X square I write it minus 137.99. So, which I can write simply 138 divided by 6. That is equal to 21.99. Which I can write as a 22. And 23.01 which I can write as a 23. Let's check 6 how many times it will go. 6 2s are 12 and 1 it will be left over 18. 6 3s are 18. So it will be x square. If I take 23 that side. So 22 into 23 plus 23. So if I make it 23 common. First case there will be 22 left over. There will be 1 left over. And again 23 into 23. So x square is equal to 23 into 23 means it's 23 whole square na. So x square is equal to 23 whole square. So I can say x is equal to how much? 23. X square is equal to 23 whole square. So simply I can say x is equal to how much? 23. That is how we take it simply. Is that clear? So 138 by 6, which you got 23. If I take that side, 22 into 23 plus 23. If I make 23 common, 22 plus 1. So 23 into 23, which is 23 whole square. X square is equal to 23 whole square, which I can write simply x equal to 23. Next one. Again, next one also an approximation question here. Let's understand what percentage of 400.02 plus 12.93 whole square, which is equal to 285. What percentage of 400.02? So 400.0.2 I write question mark I write as x. X percent of 400 is equal to 12.93 whole square, which I can write as a 13 square. Clear? So which I write simply 13 square. So 13 square in the sense which I can write as how much? 169. That is equal to 285. So x percent of 400 I write same way. So if I take 169 that side, 85 minus 16 is 69 is 16. This is 116. So x is equal to what percent? So 116 by 400 into 100. Na? So 100 it will go 4 times. Divide with 4. 400 it will go 4 times. Divide with the 4. 4 2s are 8. There will be 36. 4 nines are 36. So simply it's nothing but how much? 29 percentage. Simply I can take it as a 29 percentage. How we take it? Is it clear? So are you getting how we are taking approximation? Let's check. One more again an approximation question. Let us understand. 3327.99 minus 27.93 like that. Say 3327.99 I can write 3328 minus 28 altogether this is, and divided by question mark that I don't know, that just simply take it as x into 110 into 5.99, simply I can take it as what here? 6. 3328 minus 28 in the sense 3300. I'll take 110 into 6 also this side. 110 into 6, that is equal simply x value. So let's cancel. 110 it will go 3 times, it will be 30 will be left over. Now 30 by 6, 30 by 6 in the sense simply which I get it as a 5. So 3300 by 110. So 110 it will go 3 times. 110 3s are 330. 30 will be 30 will be there in the numerator by 6. 30 by 6 is 5. Got it now? So simply this is how you take the approximation part. So we are taking approximated values. Is it clear how we are taking the approximated values? Clear. So approximated value means we are not going to take exact values here. This is how you take it. Is it clear? Which of the following group of fractions is arranged in descending order? So look at whenever you get a fractions, very simple thing here. So whatever you discuss in the speed math case, fractions and percentages, convert into the fractions into percentages, easily we can take it. Look at all the options have same numbers but a different order. Let's check one by one. For example, if I take this one 2 by 3, if you write their values, if into the percentages, I know each 1 by 3 is 33.33, then 2 by 3 I can write as 66%. 66.66, write approximated values, and 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is nothing but 14.28, nearly I write 14%, and 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is 80% exactly what we can write. And next case 3 by 6, 1 by 2, which you write exactly 50% of the value. And next case 5 by 8. Look at each 1 by 8 is 12.5, na? Then 5 by 8 in the 62.5, and nearly I can write 62. I said write in descending order. Descending order in the sense 80% first, the highest number. 80% is nothing but 4 by 5 of the number. Next is 66%, which I can write as a 2 by 3. Next is 62%, 62.5, which I write as a 5 by 8. Next to 50%, which I write as a 3 by 6. And finally 14%, which is 1 by 7. This is descending order, na? 4 by 5, 2 by 3, 5 by 8, 3 by 6, 1 by 7. Where it is? 4 by 5, 2 by 3, 5 by 8, 3 by 6, 1 by 7, which is third option. So this is how we write it. So simply convert the fractions into percentages. Easily we can guess the order. Clear? So these type of questions will take in that manner. Let's check next one. Again, same fractions. If all the fractions 3 by 5, 1 by 8, 8 by 11, 4 by 9, 2 by 7, 5 by 12 are arranged in descending order of their values, which of the following will be the third one? So again, let's check. Write in descending order. So first of all, write the convert the percentages. 3 by 5, I know it's a 60%, and 1 by 8. So I said it's nothing but directly 12.5. You can write it, and 8 by 11. Each 1 by 11 is 9.09. 8 by 11, 8 nines are 72%. I can write 72.72. And 4 by 9. Each 1 by 9 is 11.99, which I can write 44 point something. And next 2 by 7. 1 by 7 is 14 point, and 2 by 7 means 28 point something, so I can nearly write 28. 5 by 12. Each 1 by 12 is 8.33, so 5 by 12 means 40 point something, 41 point something, I'll get nearly 41. So understand the question. If all the fractions are arranged in descending order of their values, which will be third one. First of all, descending order, first one. Highest is what? 72. Next highest is what? 60. Next highest is what? 44. 44 in the sense, which one we are writing 44? 4 by 9. So that will be the third highest. Clear now? So 8 by 11, that is the first highest, 3 by 5 is the second highest, and 4 by 9 is the third highest. That is how we write the cases. Is it clear? So whenever you are taking fraction cases, simply convert into percentages here. It's very, very easy. Let's take one more. Again, with respect to the cases, the difference between 3/4 of 4/5 of a number and 1/6 of 2/5 of a number is 648. So about a number, they're saying 3/4 of 4/5 of a number. Half in the sense I said into, na? So I can cancel directly here 4 by 4. It's nothing but 3/5 of a number. And here, so 2 ones here, 2 threes here, again I can say it's nothing but 1 by 5th of a number. So 3/5 of a number and 1 by 15th of a number. So the difference of fractions of a particular number that I don't know, let be x, that number is equal to how much they said? 648. What is that x? So let's check what I can take the LCM here. 15 I can take directly LCM here. 5 it will go 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 1, which I can write 9 minus 1 into 15 is equal to 648. 9 minus 1 is 8 by 15. I'll take directly 648. So here it is nothing but 8 by 15. If I take that side, it will be 15 by 8 directly. So 8 8s are 64 and 8 1s are 81 into 15. So it will be what I can get, 15 8s are 120, 15 1s are 15. So which I get 1215 simply. Which I get 1215 simply. Is it clear? So directly I'm cancelling here 4 and 4 if I cancel, 3 by 5, 2 3s if I cancel, 1 by 15. So 3 by 5 and 1 by 15, which is equal, I'll get 8 by 15. 8 by 15 of a x is 648. If I take that side, 648 into 8 by 15, it will become 15 by 8. By solving that, I got 1215. Clear? Next one. What is the value of 4 into 0.4 into 0.04 into 0.004? Simple. Whenever you take multiplication of the fractions, this decimal parts here, very, very simple. Directly multiply the numbers, and only the decimals, how we take in the sense, how many decimals will be there, those many decimals it will be added in the case of multiplication. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. 16 16s are 256. That's the product. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. 16 16s are 256. Clear. Now let's check. Decimal part. Here 1, here 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So totally we have to get 6 decimals. So I have to write 0.000256. So in the case of product, the decimal positions it will be added. So which we write as a 0.00256. Let's take again here with respect to the decimal part, the last one, 0.41 whole power 5, 0.343 whole cube, and 0.2401 whole cube. Again 70 by 100. I think almost all are in zero point 0.7 cases. Is 0.49. So which I can write as a zero point 0.7 whole square. And for that again whole power 5 it is. And next case 343. It's a zero point 0.7 whole cube actually. 0.7 whole cube again divide by cube. In divided by, so again 0.2401, that is 343 into 7, which I can write 0.7 whole power 4, again whole cube, that I can write it, and which is equal to 70 by 100, again that is 0.7 actually, 0.7 whole power, in the place of question mark I'll write x plus 4. So all are say 0.7 square, 0.7 cube, 0.7 whole power 4. These are cases. Now a power m whole power n, directly I'm writing here, I'll write here 0.7, 2 5s are 10, and 0.7, 3 3s are 9, and here 0.7, 4 3s are 12, that is equal to 0.7 whole power x plus 4. Directly I'll write basis. Whatever there in the numerator it will be added, whatever the denominator will be subtracted. Like a power n into a power n is a power m plus n, and a power m by a power n is a power m minus n, like that. 10 plus 9, 19, 19 minus 12, 7. 10 plus 9, 19, 19 minus 12, 7. So this side altogether on the top part I'll get 7 here. That side I'll get x plus 4. So x plus 4 is equal to 7. X equal to 7 minus 4, simply 3. X equal to 7 minus 4, 3. Let's check this one. Here 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 10 and 9. Here 4 3s are 12. So 10 plus 9, 19 minus 12, 7 here. So here x plus 4. If the bases are equal, we can equate the powers. The same thing we are doing. So 7 is equal to x plus 4. So x is equal to 3. That is how we are taking. So understand the decimal cases also here, how we are taking. So zero point 0.7 whole square, zero point 0.7 into 0 0.7, 0.49. That's why 2 decimals. Zero point 0.7 whole cube, zero point 0.7 into 0 0.7 into 0 0.7, 3 decimals. Zero point 0.7 whole power 4. That's why 4 decimals. Zero point 0.7 into 0 0.7 into 0 0.7 into 0 0.7. Clear? So this is the way how we take decimal cases. Clear? Let's check the next one. 15 2 by 3, 33 1 by 3 plus 18 3 by 4, and this is a first product case and this is a addition case. So first we'll add these two cases. 15 plus 33, 48, and 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 1, 48 plus 1, 49. This part is over. 15 plus 33, 48, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 1. This case is, I think it's a product now, multiply. 4 into 18, 72 plus 3, 75 by 4 simply. This case, 15 into 7 plus 3. 15 into 7 is basically 135. 15 into 7, it's nothing but 135. 135 plus 3, 138. So 15 into 7, which will be, sorry, 15 into 7, it will be, sorry, I done 15 into 7, it will be 105. 105 plus 7, 105. 15 into 7, 105 plus 3, 108. 108 by 15. Clear? That is equal to x minus 26. Question mark added x minus 26. First take this calculation. I think 15 5s it will go, and 4 2s are 8 and 4 7s are 28. 48 plus 1 49, and this part is 49. This is 5 into 27, which I write 5 20s are 100 plus 5 7s are 35. 135 is equal to x minus 26. This 26 also I'll take this side. So total I'll get 49 plus 135 plus 26. This case I'll get. So 49 plus 26, which will be, I can get it as a 49 plus 26, which will be 75. 75 plus 135, which I get it totally 210. Which I get totally 210. I'll repeat here. 15 plus 33, 48. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 1. 48 plus 1, 49 this part. And 4 18s are 72 plus 3, 75 by 4. 15 7s are 105 plus 3, 108 by 15. 15 5s, 4 27s, and 5 27s are 135. That is equal to x minus 26. Altogether, if I take that side, so 26 plus 49, that is 75. 75 plus 135. Altogether, it's a 210. So this is how you are taking simplifications here. Clear this part?